Well, guys, how's it going today? Holy goddamn, look at this. Can you believe this shit? Like, seriously, can you believe what you're seeing right now? This is unfreaking believable. Raise a little hell. I didn't even raise hell. I just said that there's some holes on this road that needed to be addressed. And I would even offer to supply the clay for the road. And they said, okay. And I said, if they can, to come and grade it. And holy goddamn, they came and they graded. And it looks like they hauled some, it's a very sandy gravel, but they definitely hauled some stuff down here. I can't believe this. The neighbor's canola's coming up. I'm just curious as to how far they actually went, the buggers. And since I'm bringing you down the road here, I might as well show you the oats and the barley at home, on our homeland, right?
I don't see sand anymore. Do you?
You what?
I don't see sand anymore.
You don't see who?
Sand anymore.
No, I don't see sand anymore. Don't really see sand.
There's a little bit.
They hauled more in here. This is where I dumped, right in through here. I think they came through here and they actually did a little bit of mulching. I can't believe this.
Huh.
They must have been monkeying around here most of the day. We were gone to the city most of the day. I'm gonna keep going north and check and see how far they went, and then I'll show you guys our barley on the way back. I'm gonna give you a heads up right now. She's pretty goddarn. There's lots of thistle in it. We didn't get rid of the darn thistle, but holy jumping jimimies! I can't believe it. They filled this hole in here too. Can you believe this?
No.
Well, Mr. Robert Lakeman, if you watch my videos, I just have to say thank you. Because no other counselor has ever done something like this for us. So I say thank you. They went the whole way. That's awesome. Now, let's see if they'll do that for our other summertime road, going to that other field. What you hitting me for?
No reason.
No reason, just because. CP's always hitting me, guys.
I am not.
She beats on me. See, there she goes again.
She just beat
me and knocked the cap right off the top of my head. Goddamn woman. There, see, now she's being vicious. She's just being vicious.
Well, shoot.
This oats don't look like fuck.
Yeah.
It's kind of sort of there.
I got something in my eyeball.
But she's got a long way to go. She's got a long way to go. Twitch grass is all in shot blade and heading out, starting to.
That's okay.
Clover's got a long way to go at this end. This is where the clover actually was heavier, but it's starting to flower a little bit.
That's mustard.
That's clover.
It's mustard.
That's clover.
You kissed my butt. That's mustard.
That was clover.
Get out and show me the plant.
Okay, see that yellow there?
Yeah, drive over there. I'm going to pick
That's
it for you.
mustard. Now, I'm going to back up. This friggin' woman, she doesn't know her arse from a hole in the ground.
You bite me.
There.
Stop.
See that yellow plant out
Yeah,
there?
I'm going to show it to you.
Okay. That's mustard.
Yeah.
Look behind you. See that yellow plant over there?
Oh, I was looking at this shit.
I was looking for the clover. Hey now. What the hell's going on way out there? Big dust cloud.
Howdens are working.
Howdens are
Did
working.
they just put the cows on there?
No, that's the dust is coming from the next field over.
Oh.
We can use a good rain again here, guys.
Yeah.
This oats is starving.
The clover needs
It's under. The clover needs something. The oats need something.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, what?
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Where are we going?
Camping.
We're going crazy. That's where we're going.
I got things to do.
Looks like crap.
We've had worse.
When?
We've had worse.
When have I had worse? When? Tell me.
We've cut worse. We've cut cattails for Pete's sakes.
That was in sloughs. To clean sloughs up.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, hopefully we get some more rain. Because she's starting to starve a little bit. Ugh. I can't believe this road. I could do 100 kilometers an hour on this sucker now.
That's when you'd hit a moose.
Nah. Hit a deer, though. They even moved the trees off the road. Awesome.
Why don't they make all the back roads like this?
Because it costs the RM money, and if nobody bitches and complains about it,
The guys
won't
just
get
sit
done.
in the shop and still get paid.
yeah, well, it costs the RM money to have those graders out there. Yeah. CP's being a pest, guys. Typical. CP is being a pest. Well, at least they didn't dump the fucking pile of shit on my approach. Whoa.
Bye.
Wind. Let's go for a walk. I was out here the other day and the leaves seem to be under a little stress. They got a little bit of yellowing happening. And I think, see that? I think it's from heat. They got hot. It was hot, and then it gets cold, and then it gets hot. But the stuff is starting to shoot now. See this? She's really going to take off. But look at this stuff, guys. She's up to my knees. This is good. Even with the thistle in here, this is good. And it's thick. Unfortunately, we got lots of thistle. You can see it out there. And we got lots of buckwheat. But whatever. But Jesus, I'm jumping. Like, yeah. There it is. Can't complain with that too much, right, guys? I'm going to actually pull a little bit. To give you an idea of the length. It's as long as my friggin' arm. I have no idea what the oats, how tall the oats is. It won't be as tall as the barley, I don't think. Not yet. And I'm not walking way over there, but she's definitely up there. But yeah, this barley is doing awesome. Even with the little competition that's going on. But you know what? That yellowing leaf, it's a little bit over here. But not as much as it is right on the very outside edge. Who knows? Maybe we got a touch of chemical from the neighbor from when he sprayed his canola, right? The oats is looking okay from what I can tell over here, but maybe we'll go and check on our cover crop, do a quick peek at it, and I'll bring you guys in for that one. Talk to you then. So we're just driving here down the road. We got to the trees on both sides, right? And we noticed the grass has kind of got some yellowing on the leaf. But then you get in between these trees where the trees would have, I think CP is right. She figures that we got drift from the neighbor, because look here, the grass is really nice and green on both sides. See that? Yeah, it's kind of cloudy, ain't it? There. Now you can see it better. And as soon as you get past the trees on both sides, the grass starts to turn yellow again. And I'm wondering if he didn't spray, and it was, since it was windier than fuck all last week, and he was out here spraying. See, it sprayed, it drifted all the way. Oh, for sure, because that rhubarb plant, wild rhubarb, is all curled up. It's dying. So if I have a bunch of friggin' crop that ends up dead, I'll be going back to this little cocksucker beside me. That's for sure.
Just take pictures of that.
Hey?
Just take pictures of that.
Definitely could. Definitely could. I told the guys I was going to bring them back and show them our cover crop.
Oh, here we go.
I'm going to actually stop right here and walk in, and we'll do a check on this end. Then I can see the oats too. Haha. Good thinking, Panna. You coming for a walk?
Are you going to leave my beast running or what?
I'm going to leave it sit right in the middle of this road. Losing the mask. Those things are priceless items nowadays. Ugh. And here the grass has no, because he didn't spray right there, the grass looks good, right? Oh yeah, this is a Panna fence, so it's going to be tough to get through. You hooked? God dang it. Son of a bitch, that's still tight. Ouch. There we go. So this cover crop right here actually was fertilized, guys. And see how much bigger this stuff is? Look at the peas. I'm still not seeing no goddamn sorghum Sudan grass, unless that's what this is, but I don't think so. I think that's oats. I think that's the oats, the haymaker forage oat, or baler oat. They said it was a forage oat, so it's either baler or it's haymaker, I'd say. But right here it was fertilized. I come over, oh, how far? What the hell? Look at that. Peas are turning yellow. Did they get a touch of frost maybe? Or did they get drift? Look at that, that sucker died. Maybe we had some frost on here, babe, for the peas to be attacked. You get further out, and there's more and more of them looking that way. See here? We might have had a touch of frost on them.
I don't think so.
Because it's even at the far end of the field, along the road. It's still not looking overly fantastic, but now when I get to this point, right here, basically, throughout the rest of the field, it was not fertilized. Just that part right over there was fertilized. I think that's frost. That's why it's turned black.
I don't think so.
Yeah. That's not pea anyway.
I know that.
See here? Here's another one. I'd say that's frost.
What the hell is that?
I don't know. And this right here, what is this? CP thinks that this friggin' plant right here is sunflower. I don't think so. I think that's radish. I think that's that sweet radish. There's quite a bit of it in here, whatever it is. Now, let's go look at our oats. Now, for anybody wondering, our oats had 150 pounds of fertilizer put on it. So right here's our divider, our cover crop, and right, you can see it right there, guys. And on this side is barley, oats, and clover mix, okay? And then as we get in farther, let's get in here a little farther. And then you can kind of see the line right there. So that's oats, barley, and clover mix. And then over here is pure oats. Outside of the volunteer grass and alfalfa from the breaking, right? But this is haymaker oats. And it's just solid leaf. See that? To the top of the leaf, it is god darn near right there, just below my kneecaps. So it's about 18 inches too. It's kind of like the barley. So there should be a friggin' crop of oats out here anyways. The barley, oat, and clover, we are going to dry green feed it. It's not going to be silaged or bale wrapped or anything like that. We'll cut it and green feed it. And for whatever reason, the oats on the summer fallow piece is doing a lot better than the oats on the breaking. I don't know why. I just don't know, guys. Anyway, that's your wrap for this one. We got a few things to get looked after here over the next couple of days, so we'll talk to you guys later. Give us the old thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and what do you say, babe? Take it easy. How about fun, fun, fun? Let's get her done. Yeah. We'll talk to you guys later.